Hey everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in today's recipe. I'll be showing you how to make horchata. Horchata is a simple and delicious plant-based drink that is common in Latin America, and this is usually made with rice and flavored with cinnamon. So stay tuned and let's make this simple drink together. We are going to start by soaking our rice. Here in this bowl, I've got 1 1/4 cup of white rice. You can use the long grain or the short grain. Basmati rice also works for it, so you can use any rice you have on hand. So I've rinsed the rice thoroughly to remove the starch from the surface. Next, I'm just going to soak the rice with 1 cup of water. So once you have added the water to the rice, allow it to rest for 30 minutes. That way the rice will absorb water and it will be easy to blend this in the blender. Next, place 1 cup of water on the stove top, add 1 stick of cinnamon and bring to a boil. Once the water has fully come to a boil, turn off the stove, cover and allow to steep for 10 minutes. In a powerful blender, combine the soaked rice together with the liquid. The cinnamon infused water together with the cinnamon stick. Also add in ½ cup of whole almonds. Also add in 1 cup of water, making it 3 cups of water in total. Cover and blend for 1 minute until you have a smooth paste. It's time to strain our horchata. So place a fine mesh strainer over a bowl and also place a cheesecloth over to collect the tiniest particles. Now pour the mixture over to strain. With your clean hands, fold the material together and squeeze it a little bit to release all the juice. And once you're done squeezing out the milk, you can discard the chaff or you can simply use this in your smoothie. And once you're done straining this, you can go ahead and sweeten this with a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. You can adjust the sweetness to your own taste. 1 cup of whole milk. And you can also improve the flavor of this horchata by adding ½ teaspoon of vanilla. You don't want to over add the vanilla because it's going to overpower the flavor of the rice and the cinnamon as well. So once you're done, you can whisk this to combine everything nicely. And if you like the dairy-free version, you can opt for coconut milk or pure almond milk. You can cover this up with a plastic wrap or with a lid. You can place this in the refrigerator for 4 hours to chill before serving. So our horchata has been chilling in the fridge for over 4 hours. You can stir this again just so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Serve this over ice. can sprinkle some cinnamon powder on the surface before serving. Horchata is an awesome drink to enjoy during a hot day. I hope you try this out. I love this and I'm sure you're going to love it too. If you like this video, please let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. You can like and share the video with friends. And please remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill to watch more videos. And you can click the bell button so you don't miss any video whenever I upload one. Until next time guys, bye!